Today we will learn how to create our own newspaper. First, choose A3 size preset and set the units in millimeters. Keep the orientation as portrait and set as many pages as required. I have taken only one here. Keep facing pages on. Columns are maximum 8, you can also set 6 or 7. Whether the column gutter or margin needs to be changed depends on you, but it should be permanent. And then click on Create. Now take the Type tool or press T button from the keyboard and write your masthead, that is name of the newspaper. Increase the size of the text, bring it to the center and shift the baseline down. Bring the rulers using Ctrl+R and drag down and drop them and create a line using the Line tool or press the / button on the keyboard. Now increase the stroke size of the line. And take the Type tool again and fill in the remaining details. Then once again take Type tool and create a box horizontally for headlines and vertically for column-wise news. Here we have used Impact font for headline and Times New Roman font for news in 9-point size. You can type or copy-paste your news here. We are taking default paragraph here. Go to Type menu and select Fill with placeholder text. Now to place the image in the remaining space, click on Place in the File menu bar or press Ctrl+D button on the keyboard and open the related images of your news. Transform the image and fit it in the columns. Use Line tool again, draw a line where the news has ended. Now, for the second news, just change the font style of only headlines and keep to News 706 BT and rest of the details remain the same. Keep the news font same. And then place your image in the middle of the news. And click on the second text wrap option visible on the right side, wrap around the bounding box. In third news, change the font of headline and keep News 701 BT and other details same. Then place your image in the middle of the news and then choose the third option, wrap around the object shape in text wrap. Okay, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel, and see you again in the next video. And you can also watch our shorts to know tips and tricks.